As industries evolve, automation redefines performance. Buildings become responsive, factories become self-optimizing, and robotics takes precision to new heights. At LTSCT, we make that transformation possible. Our semiconductor technologies bring intelligence to every layer of industry, from compute and control to power-enabling automation that is smarter, safer, and scalable. We advance the next wave of industrial innovation with semiconductor solutions that transform buildings and factories into connected ecosystems. LTSCT provides industry-leading power modules and IPMs with advanced materials and latest die technology, including IGBT, SiC, GaN, and intelligent gate drivers. These solutions enable higher efficiency, better thermals, and improved power density across factory and building automation. Our USB-C certified power delivery controllers provide excellent power sharing across multiple ports and inbuilt protection features, which reduces the system bill of materials and solution size. Our integrated motor drivers and controllers bring unmatched performance to applications like power tools, ceiling fans, robotics, and industrial drives. With advanced motor control accelerators, efficient RISC-V MCU, and optimized analog peripherals, LTSCT's motor control solutions reduce system bill of materials, improves motor efficiency, and accelerate time to market.
Our Vision AI SoC
integrates high-performance compute and optimized neural processing for high-speed, high-accuracy machine vision. It enables robotics to perform precise navigation, object detection, and decision-making with minimal latency. Designed for surveillance IP camera, compact and low power, it transforms raw video into real-time intelligence, enhancing safety and situational awareness. Why LTSCT? Because we combine semiconductor engineering excellence with a globally resilient supply chain built through strategic foundry and OSAT partnerships. We leverage the strength of the LNT brand to expand markets and build customer-centric innovation. With a focus on safety, efficiency, and intelligence, LTSCT delivers differentiated solutions that empower industrial progress, where engineering meets endurance. From industrial floors to city blocks, we are advancing the next wave of industrial innovation. Together, we are shaping a connected, efficient, and intelligent world. LTSCT, powering the future of industry.